Jugnu is an ERP which is packed with rich capabilities for GST, making compliance simple for businesses. Jugnu ERP has been designed with automatic GST calculation on transactions in line with the GST rules. It has 5 modules, which is sales, purchase material, GL and finance. The solution has 3 applications. User application. It is basically used by customers where they can access various modules of Jugnu. Admin, where you can create company, user, group user and giving access rights. Server admin, it is used for database and server configuration. These are the screens for the 3 different application. First is user application. Second is the admin. This is how the admin landing page will looks like when you open the application. And last one is server admin. This is the home page of server administration. Now we will show solution walkthrough of Jugnu. This is the portal of Logo Infosoft. The select logo Jugnu for commercial industry. It is a Java-based solution and is platform independent. Solution can be hosted in private as well as public cloud. Provide the Jugnu instance. For each organization it differs. After selecting the instance, click on the tab. Click on Run to start the application. Type username along with password. This is the home page of Logo Jugnu. User can create multiple desktop in Jugnu. User also has the flexibility to configure desktop according to their own wish. He can drag any menus from one place to another and can set desktop according to their own requirements. Jugnu caters 5 main modules that are required for a business. Like material management. Purchase management, where all activities related to purchase are recorded. Sales management, where all activities related to sales are captured. Finance and general ledger, where all your financial transactions and accounting are performed. Jugnu also offers other service like generation of e-way bill. Logo Jugnu helps you to integrate e-way bills easily in your accounts. System captures all mandatory data for the e-way bill. For example, HSN codes, warehouse address, invoice number, value of goods, etc. You will also get detailed reports and history of the e-way bills generated. Starting with material management. The module is divided into 4 sub-modules like definition, transaction, operation, and reports. We can see such a fashion throughout the entire module. Definitions is the part where user creates masters like materials. User can have different type of material like commercial good, finished good, raw material. Material class simply means segregation of product like men t-shirt, women t-shirt. Unit sets, where user can define multiple unit of measurement for a single material. Jugnu provides the facility to track and report material with multiple units. Material characteristic used to provide attributes like color, durability. India GST definition for taxes are done here. Solution is preloaded with all the GST tax slabs prevailing in India. All the transactions related to material are recorded here. Material slips used to record material transaction like scrap slip, usage slip, input slips, warehouse transfer slip used to record movement of material from one warehouse to another, cycle count, etc. Set slips used to record components of the material like dinning table. Cycle count transactions used for stock adjustment. Cost distribution slips used to record landing cost for the material. In quick production slip, all inputs, which is basically child material, are used in the production of the finished good, are saved together with the material itself, so that user records BOM information which will be used in the production of the material of finished good type. Now we will move to the operations part. It is used for bulk update. It is also used for any modification or changes in a bulk. These are the various reports which you can view it from here, like material wise report, warehouse total report, etc. Now we will move to the purchase module. This is the window of purchase module. If you click on definitions, these are the sub-menus which will pop up. You can create suppliers or vendors. You can also create service like transport, repairing, etc. Purchase price is used to assign price to the particular product. Transactions in purchase management helps an organization to perform regular activities. Purchase demand is a process through which demand is raised by any organization to acquire goods for their inventory. Purchase proposal simply means quotation to different vendors. Purchase contract is the agreement between two parties when the proposal gets accepted at the specified price and quantity. User can place order for any material through purchase order. Here user can directly punch an order or can be created from demand, proposal, or contract. In the order form, provide all required details. If user is having multiple line item, then he do not need to select manually each individual item. If data is available in Excel, he just need to copy paste all the items in the form. After order, we have purchase receipts where the inventory will hit. Here user can create invoice or bill. User can directly create invoice without generating order or can generate bill from order and receipt. User do not need to manually calculate GST as the system automatically calculate the amount. Apart from the basic scenarios in purchase module, Jugnu has the capability to perform multiple purchase scenarios as it is shown in the screen, like one purchase order, multiple receipts, multiple invoice. Operation is where user can make bulk transaction, like generate invoice for multiple order. And then the reports. User can generate different reports, like order report to know how many orders are raised, purchase invoice report, etc. Next we will go to sales module. As mentioned, it is also divided into 4 sub-modules. Under definitions, user can create customers, services. Another unique feature the solution offers is campaign. User can run any campaigns, like buy 3 get 1 free, buy 2 get 10% discount, etc. You can also run festival campaigns. Here you can define condition for the campaign. Sales module is almost similar to purchase module. like demand, contract to order, order to dispatch and then to bill. After sales comes your collection part. All the functions like attaching GL connection code, generate debit credit note etc. are available in the right click, and user do not need to toggle between multiple windows to perform functions. Like purchase module, here you can also perform multiple sales scenarios like multiple order, one dispatch, one invoice. Similarly, we have operations where bulk transactions are performed. You can generate different reports like campaign reports, sales total reports, sales invoice reports etc. After purchase and sales cycle comes the accounting part. Similar to other module, we can have masters under definitions. Like ARAP, which is your supplier or customers. Payment collection plan means in how many days the payment or collection will be made, example 10 days after invoice etc. This functionality is used to keep a track of checks issued by company to vendors. User can also define bank branches, bank account. Credit definition is used to record the credit obtained by the organization. These can be in the nature of import, export, investment, operation, and non-cash. Under transactions, ARAP slips is used to make direct payment to the ARAP. Check and promissory note slips are used to make check payments. Payment through bank can be made from Bank Slips tab. All transactions related to ARAP are recorded in ARAP Transaction tab. And all transactions related to bank are recorded in Bank Transaction. Under Operations, you can perform exchange rate difference calculations. User can have difference reports like payment collection reports, bank reports, check and promissory note report etc. Now we will move to the general ledger. Click on Definitions to open sub-menus. Chart of accounts is a listing of all accounts used in the general ledger of an organization. Second and third charts of accounts are used only for reporting purposes. In consolidated charts of accounts, we consolidate the chart of accounts of different companies to analyze as whole. You can also define GL connection code WHCH is used to tag transaction to your books of accounts. You can also fetch balance sheet and profit and loss account using Financial Statements tab. You can generate GSTR reports like GSTR1, GSTR3B etc. for each GST registered units in JSON format and upload directly in the GSTN portal. Coming to the Transaction tab, all the general entries are recorded in GL slips. You can also generate separate slip for payment, collection, journal, exchange rate difference etc. Under Operations, we can perform fiscal period close transaction, that is transferring balance from one financial year to another. Here also you can have different reports like ledger balance report, detailed ledger report etc. That's all from introduction of logo Jugnu solution. Thank you for watching our video.